Okay, let's take a look at a simple series type reliability problem, which is what we find up at the top of the screen that I'm now circling with the little design head. As you can see, when we line up different parts, and each part must work in order for the system to work, then we multiply the probabilities together. So for part X and for part Y, it's the probability of X operating times the probability of Y operating. Anytime we need all parts operating, this is the way we would treat them. Whether they were in a line or they were in parallel or whatever, they all must be multiplied together. Let's look at this system down below that I'm now pointing out where we have parts X, Y, and ZW. We can see here for the system to work, these two parts must work, and these two parts must work. That's all well and good. So to do that, we need this probability of X times the probability of Y. And down below we have again the probability of Z times the probability of W. Then we can see that we have up here at the top, for instance, if we call this system A, and down below we have another system that we're calling, for instance, B, we can see that the probability of success is going to be when we multiply the probability of system A times the probability of system B. So to get this, we have to continue to work our way through each one of these systems independently. So we multiply the probability of X times the probability of Y to get the probability of this system A working, and then we multiply the probability of Z times the probability of W to get the probability of the B system working, and system C success then was going to be the probability of A times the probability of B, and that would give us system success. So now we can see how when all things have to operate for something to work, we're in a situation where we have to multiply all the probabilities of each part together. In the next video, we'll look at a system whereby we have parts operating to back up other parts. In other words, somewhat operating in a system where if one fails, then the other has to take over, and we'll figure out the probability for that system. Until then, bye-bye.